Hi, in this video I will show you how to do the clasped weft join. As you can see here, with this join, some of the stitches around the join are a bit bulkier, but for most colors and needle sizes it is not that visible. First, I will show you the basic technique and then I will show you how to make sure that the join is exactly where you want it to be. I have worked in the round for a few rounds and I want to change colors at the beginning of the next round. Take the working yarn and double it so that a small loop is formed. Now take the strand of the new color and thread it through the loop. Leave a bit of a tail so that now both strands are doubled. Hold the working yarn in place so that you don't lose the loop. Next, we will knit a few stitches with this doubled strand. I am using my left middle finger to hold the working yarn in place. The goal is to knit a few stitches in the old color and then a few stitches in the new color. As you can see, my strand was long enough for 5 stitches, so I also knit 5 stitches in the new color. If the tail is too short to knit with, you can also switch to the English knitting style to knit the last 1 or 2 stitches. Now drop the tail and just continue knitting with one strand as usual. Knit the rest of the round. In the next round, knit the doubled stitches like normal knit stitches. You can pull on the tails a bit to straighten out the stitches. As you can see, the join is actually a few stitches behind the beginning of the round. If you want the join to be in a specific place, you need to do the following. First, knit until you get to the place where you want the join to be. Now fixate the working yarn with your left thumb and index finger right where the strand exits the last stitch. Hold on to that spot and slowly unknit the last 4 or 5 stitches. This takes a bit of patience since you need to hold on to the yarn and at the same time get enough tension to undo the stitches. Now fold the working yarn in the exact spot that you were holding on to. And now just continue like I showed you before. So thread the new strand through the loop and hold on to the working yarn to make sure that the loop is not changed. Carefully take the doubled strand and knit until you get to the beginning of the round. Knit a few more stitches with the new color. As you can see, the color change is now exactly at the beginning of the round. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.